Well, good morning. Morning, little birds. So I found this cayenne pepper plant we got growing, using an old crib to grow these cucumbers, and they're doing great. They're everywhere over here. But these cayennes, we didn't think we were gonna have any peppers this year. And then a couple of days ago, I come out and I was like, what is that? And it had 4 or 5 peppers hanging off of it. We've got a couple more coming in there. Yeah. And there's another cayenne plant. And those are firecracker or firework. I think they're the firecracker or yellow peppers. They're a bunch of colors. Like and follow on Facebook, Stubbs Mill & Co. We got stew chickens available.